victory has been declared. Well, I don't know if it's victorious yet, but this broken wire right here is for my crank position sensor, which is here. This thing wants to stumble and fall flat on its face because it says cam position sensor out of synchronization. Well, the only thing the cam position sensor syncs with is the crank position sensor. And of course it's going to be out of synchronization if the crank position sensor is not plugged into anything. So I need to get that plug off, repin it, and put the whole thing back together. I had to take the radiator out just in order to be able to see down in here past the AC condenser. Because, I mean, it's true. The fans are like right here. The fans are like right here. Oh, come on, get out of the way. Anyway, there's no room. So, yes. So I need to get that done, put all of this back together, redo all the fluids, and then try to drive it. It's probably not going to make any difference, and then I'm going to have to tear it all back apart again. So we're going to do a while I'm in here kind of thing, because there's a whole bunch of stuff that needs some loving. So we will be back tomorrow.